This is how you can make hand sanitizer at home. You will need two ingredients. One is at least 91% alcohol, and two, you'll need aloe vera 100% gel or close to 100%. This aloe vera gel is often used after sunburns, so you might find it in the sun care aisle. The formula is 2/3 of rubbing alcohol plus 1/3 of aloe vera gel. In terms of instructions, you simply mix those two together. You stir them up in a bowl, blend them in together. You can add a little bit of essential oil, 8 to 10 drops, if desired, if you want your hand sanitizer to smell good. And the third step is really just to pour into your container. That's it.